Earth Day activities for preschoolers. Oh, 100 easy Earth Day activities for families like me. A better way to homeschool. Okay, let's see. Oh, this looks promising. What kind of activities do we have? Some preschoolers. How about a simple paper play craft? I know my kids need to work on their fine motor skills. That's cool. Books. I don't know. We should always start learning about anything with a really good story. That's right. Oh, good. There's some suggestions about different books that we can read together. Shaving cream. My boys love shaving cream. We should do that outside. Okay. So Earth Day shaving cream painting. That would be super fun. What else is there? Oh, that's fun. Shaving cream earth. Hey, I was wondering what I was going to do with all those newspapers. Could make some recyclable seed pots. Balloons. Balloon? Oh my gosh, look how cute those balloon paintings are. Adorable. Oh, big crates. That would be fun. Some more finger painting type activities. Ooh, a printable board game. Movies. Oh, there's got to be some really great Earth Day documentaries that we can watch together and then do some of those fun crafts. That would be fun. Oh, John Muir. Yosemite. That would be fun. Cleaning up the ocean. Oh, we should absolutely go outside on a hike for Earth Day. Oh, another fingerprint craft. That's fun. Make an earth. And some silly songs. What else? Gosh, over 100 ideas. Oh, we absolutely need to get our hands dirty and dig in the dirt. Maybe plant some seeds and make some wildflower earth bombs. That would be super fun. I love bringing wildflowers close to the house. Yes. Oh gosh, there's so many things. So I'm thinking to celebrate Earth Day with preschoolers, to grab a book to read, a movie to watch, a craft to do, and then to get outside. Ooh, maybe even make our own terrarium so that we get to look at the plants growing all year long. There are so many great ideas here. Growing a butterfly garden, oh, we could learn about bees and ants, butterflies, all kinds of stuff. Sweet. This is exactly what we were looking for.